severe thunderstorm warning for central Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 4:30 p.m. At 3:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Coatesville, or 12 miles west of West Chester, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations impacted include West Chester, Coatesville, Westbound, Downingtown, Parkersburg, Cheney, Elam, Marshallton, Chelsea, Leonville, Markwood, Graybyville, Howley, Leonville, Concordville, Lima, West Goshen, Malvern, Chester Heights, South Coatesville, and Modena. This includes Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 316 and 318, and between mile markers 320 and 323. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for southeastern Pennsylvania. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for southeastern Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Chester, and Delaware.